Namaste. Welcome back to Handloom Sari World. Today we have a lot of new arrivals in double pallu paithani saris. Single pallu and double pallu are the starting ranges in the paithani saris. These are the basic traditional designs in paithani saris. The single pallu will have just 3 pairs of peacocks on the pallu. So the double pallu paithanis will have 7 pairs of peacocks arranged in 3 rows. These are the starting ranges in the pure paithani silk saris. In the double pallu, we have the traditional colors like the bottle green, the rani color, black, rama green, red and all. We also have a lot of combination colors. And we also have a lot of dual shades in double pallu paithani silk saris. The dual shades are now the fast moving in double pallu. So these double pallu paithani saris cost 7,900. We offer free shipping within India. International shipping, the charges will be extra. These are all pure silk paithani saris, and all these saris are purely hand woven. So to check a pure silk paithani sari, you just have to turn the sari and check the back side of the pallu. If it is a brocade sari, you can check the back side of the pallu as well as the borders. Other than the double pallu paithanis, we also make a lot of different fancy designs on the pallus. We also make the Munia border brocades and all the kinds of heavy brocade paithanis as per order. So for any details or any enquiries or to place any orders, you can always contact us on our WhatsApp number given in the description. These are all 6-yard sarees. If you need Nawari or 9-yard sarees, we can make it based on orders. All these double pallu Paithani sarees comes with running blouse piece. So we have a lot of new colors. We have a lot of different combinations in double pallu Paithani sarees. So it's a festival season, it's a Lakshmi Puja coming and the wedding season also coming. So the stocks may be fast moving. So in case you want to order, please contact us immediately on our WhatsApp number given in the description. So these double pallu Paithani sarees cost 7,900. We offer free shipping within India. International shipping, the charges will be extra. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated about all our new arrivals. We have a lot of new arrivals in fancy pallu Paithanis as well as in Munia border Paithanis. So stay tuned for new videos in the coming days. If you want to make any kind of customized brocade sarees, please contact us on our WhatsApp number. We make all kinds of brocade Paithanis. You can customize the border design as well as the colors, and any kind of customization is possible for the sarees. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated about all our new arrivals.